The first step in buffing a car is done with this heavy foam pad. We put the compound in these little mustard bottles. You can use anything you want. And this is a kind of coarse pad. It takes off a lot of material, and it'll leave little swirl marks in the paint. We'll come back later with a finer pad and some finer compound to clean it up better. You'll see Tony's wearing an apron to keep the goop that slings off the car from getting on his clothes, and he's also wearing gloves. Years and years and years of holding a vibrating, spinning, whirring buffer will cause circulation trouble. So your hands get numb when you're buffing a car pretty easily. So he uses the gloves to kind of pad it a little bit. And he's using a little bit of the edge of the pad, a lot of the flat of the pad, and he's always really careful that the wheel is turning away from any sharp edges. If the wheel grabs a sharp edge, you can burn through the paint and you get primer and bare steel real quick. So this creates heat, and it cleans up the paint and shines it up.